Welcome everyone to the Oil Drip. I'm Tibo, and this is my 2013 LR4. So I got this car because I work at the Land Rover dealership, and sometimes we have trade-ins we cannot let go. This is one of them. It was a bit, it was a diamond in the rough because it was a bit scraped up everywhere. The inside was a bit rough. So basically what we did is my guys detailed the car and we changed a couple of things, but mainly the interior was redone with the leather. I'll show you around. So this car has 120,000 miles. You can see it has to be branded French style. Let me open it. You have keyless entry, which is pretty awesome. My key's in my pocket. So the main thing that we redid here is, I know the vendor that actually retinted the whole white leather. That was pretty much damaged, those two sides. So he redid everything. You can drive for like hours on end and it's super comfortable. But it's also an excellent off-roader. And the reason why is because we have here different features. So this is called a terrain response. Basically, depends on the terrain you encounter, snow, mud, sand, and rock climbing, the car is gonna have a whole different behavior. Suspension, transmission, the lockers, the differential, everything is gonna work together, depends on those terrain. You also have here the air suspension. So you can adjust the car ride height for, like, you know, access, normal, and off-road. And then you also have the hill climb descent system to go down the, like, a very high percentage slope. By basically the car, what it would do is it will go down the road and you click on that feature, it will pulsate the brakes going down slowly instead of blocking the wheels and going down too quick. So because it's automatic transmission, you cannot put it back in gear and just like slow down. This is pretty awesome. This is the full off-road package. This is optional. That's not the standard equipment.
Can I show my favorite feature first though?
Okay, go for it. Oh yeah.
The mini fridge.
You have a fridge. So you have a fridge right here, basically, that can contain like little bottles and everything. So that's optional too. Pretty awesome. That's your feature, right?
That's mine.
I just changed the tires because they were done. Basically on Tire Rack they had a promotion. It was $150 a piece for the run flats, which are like pretty amazing. And people criticize run flats on off-road cars, but those are good tires. So you can see those are I put them on mock-up right now. I have the whole like bar on the top, the one at the bottom, because we're gonna go in dirt and in the desert. So we want to make sure we see stuff. So yeah. So what's good about this car is it's a huge car. It really is a big car. And the seats, the back seats they go really flat to the floor. So you also have like 3 sunroofs. So it's pretty amazing. 1, 2, and 3 over there. It's literally humongous. And so you have 7 seats. It's a 3rd row car. I mean, you use it too. It's super practical. It's a grocery getter for now.
Oh,
we're
definitely.
gonna go in the desert. We can load a bunch of shit. You all do, as you can see. Those are going to be available soon on our website. So yeah, no, I love this car. It's awesome. We did some modification in the exhaust. You're going to see soon. There you go. My 2013 LR4. You like this car, no?
I love this car.
Okay.
This is my car, secretly. He thinks it's his, but
I'll have to just give it to you and get another one. So how do you like the new exhaust system?
Oh, I love it, babe. It sounds so good.
Today we're gonna take the LR4 because I was told that it is possible to get a better sound on the V8 when you cut the resonator off, just the resonator. So we're gonna go to a muffler shop and hopefully it will be cheap and easy to do. I just want to still pass smoke, so let's just do that and see what kind of V8 sound we're gonna get. So let's see what this car sound when it's like stock, okay? I always am a bit skittish about everything exhaust related, because if it's not a bike, passing smog is a hustle. For people who doesn't know, in California it's just so complicated. So if you touch the air intake and the mufflers and the catalytic converter, you might not pass. So the resonator is just a way for the engine to have a little bit more back pressure, I guess. So I was told I might lose a little power, but the sound is just awesome. So let's go to the shop and see what's up. So I'm here in Advanced Muffler in Moreno Valley, and they've been in the business for 21 years. They took me in after 2 minutes. They just cut the resonator and put 2 pipes in, and honestly, I mean, it cost me $80, but awesome, a great experience. The owner is amazing, and I'll show you guys, put in a link, the address for you guys. Okay, so the sound is ridiculous. I mean, not crazy, but damn, I think I lost a little bit of power. Yeah, but it's fine. It's a little bit, but the sound's amazing. So let's just see now with the resonator cut off. I definitely have some loss of power. I can feel it. Especially when you just go second gear, you can lack. I think there's like probably 20 horsepower less. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably change the air filter for like a K&N, which is, you know, breathing better, because on those NA engines, it means a lot. So let me just show you how it gas up. So pretty much mixed feelings about the resonator being cut off. The first thing is, honestly, it sounds amazing. It's really fun, but you can feel that the car has to downshift to find the power a bit more, which is kind of annoying. So I don't know. I mean, I hope I can make my peace with it, because it's done. So there's no going back. So I hope you guys liked it. We'll see what we're gonna do next with the LR4. The lights, most certainly. I want to put like the LR4 lights, a couple of other things like that.
So what happened this morning?
Well, basically another coolant leak, another fun one. So you can't make that up. We were about to go to like Big Bear just to drive and go in the snow for the day. And when you walk towards your car and you see this, it's always fun. A nice little puddle of coolant. So I know where it's coming from now. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. It's actually I think it's just thermostat. So it's not good. And the coolant is low now, so I'm gonna drive it still, because it doesn't look like it's a lot of leaking, and I have some coolant in the trunk. But yeah, happy as a clam. F***ing Land Rovers. So as you guys know, I have some leaking problem, and this is Tony. Tony,
Land Rovers.
Yeah, this is Tony. We work together. Tony is a mechanic here, and technician. I'm sorry. He knows my cars in and out, because he's been working on it since it started leaking, and since I started having the car actually. So Tony, what's happening? Tell me more.
So the usual, you know, you buy a Land Rover and the first thing you get is leaking everywhere. So we've already done like 3 repairs for this guy, so that's the 4th one.
So basically, what is the problem this time?
So this time, looks like someone put a cheap, either cheap or rebuild water pump in there. So you know, with these vehicles, you got to go expensive dealer-wise. And also thermostat, someone decided to rebuild a thermostat, which is the worst thing you can do to one of these vehicles, but you know, I think they bring them here to me.
Yeah, well, he's gonna take it apart and change the thermostat that was leaking that I showed you guys last time. It's right here, basically. Oh yeah, she has a leak. So, rebuild, huh?
So someone who's not a true mechanic, rebuild this thing,
Yeah.
which is the worst thing you can do.
So I can see the difference here.
Yeah,
That's why this thing was leaking. Oh yeah, what is this funky? They cut it to size?
No, it's just a little excess of the gasket. So if you notice, like right here, they put some of that sealant right here, which is not supposed to have any.
That's fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, and there's a lot of wiggle.
Okay, and this was also failing because...
Yeah, because of that seam. Someone had opened it and replaced the inside, but...
So they tried to rebuild it on the cheap and now it's leaking again, huh?
Yeah.
So people keep saying, oh, we can rebuild pieces, but it's actually not working, isn't it?
It's even worse when you rebuild it.
Thanks for watching, guys. I wanted to thank Tony because without him, there's no fixing a Land Rover because I don't know how to do it. So thanks to him, and well, we have some surprises for you next week, so stay tuned. Subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss the next video. It's gonna be pretty fun. We might have bought a new car, so you'll check it out. Thank you very much. See you soon on the old drip.